How often do we question the current state of drug discovery and wonder if there might be a faster, more efficient way? Let's take a moment to consider this. The traditional process of drug discovery is a complex, time-consuming endeavor. It involves countless hours of laboratory work, extensive testing, and an array of regulatory hurdles. But what if we could speed up this process? What if we could make it more efficient, more precise? Enter the world of quantum simulations. This groundbreaking technology harnesses the power of quantum physics to predict molecular interactions, optimizing drug design and significantly reducing the time it takes to discover new pharmaceuticals. It's like having an ultra-advanced computer that can calculate and visualize the effects of potential drugs at a molecular level. Imagine a world where drug discovery is not a decade-long process. Welcome to the world of quantum simulations. So, what exactly are quantum simulations and how do they work? Imagine you're trying to predict the outcome of a game of chess. You'd need to consider every possible move and then every possible counter-move and so on. That's a lot of possibilities, right? Now, imagine trying to predict the behavior of billions of molecules and their countless interactions. Traditional computing methods struggle with this complexity, but quantum simulations are a game changer. Quantum simulations use the principles of quantum mechanics to predict these molecular interactions. But what does that mean? Well, quantum mechanics is the branch of physics that deals with the smallest particles in the universe, like atoms and subatomic particles. These particles behave in ways that don't always make sense to our everyday experiences, but they follow a set of rules nonetheless. It's these rules that quantum simulations use to predict how molecules will behave. Let's take the McGinty equation as an example. This equation, P(xt) equals sign P(ft)xt plus P(fractal xt dmqs, where P(ft)xt is the solution of the free quantum field theory, and mechanical systems is a cornerstone of quantum simulations. It might look intimidating, but all it's doing is describing the behavior of a quantum system. The first part, P(ft)xxt, represents the behavior of the system in the absence of any external forces. The second part, P(fractal xt dmqs, introduces a fractal potential, which has a self-similar structure that can be described by constant parameters. This part describes the behavior of the system when it's influenced by external forces. By solving this equation, quantum simulations can predict how different molecules will interact with each other. This is incredibly useful in drug discovery, where understanding these interactions can help us design more effective treatments. Quantum simulations, in essence, are a powerful tool that can help us predict and understand complex molecular interactions. They offer a new way to tackle the complexity of the natural world, enhancing our ability to discover, design, and optimize new pharmaceuticals. Now that we understand quantum simulations, how can they revolutionize drug discovery? Let's dive into that. Quantum simulations are like a super-powered microscope, allowing scientists to observe and understand molecular interactions at an incredibly detailed level. This is a game changer in pharmaceutical research, as it allows us to predict the behavior of potential drug candidates with unprecedented accuracy. Imagine a scientist working on a new drug. Traditionally, they would have to synthesize hundreds, if not thousands, of compounds, test them in the lab, and then analyze the results. This process is time-consuming, expensive, and often filled with trial and error. But with quantum simulations, the process could look quite different. Instead of synthesizing and testing all those compounds, the scientists can use quantum simulations to predict the behavior of each candidate molecule. They can see how it might interact with a target protein, how stable it would be in various conditions, and even how it might be metabolized in the body. This means that instead of a wide net approach, scientists can adopt a more focused and strategic method. They can zero in on the most promising candidates, saving time, resources, and ultimately lives. But the potential of quantum simulations doesn't stop there. These simulations can also help optimize drug design. By tweaking the structure of a molecule, scientists can predict how these changes will affect the drug's behavior. This could lead to more effective treatments, as drugs can be designed to be more potent, have fewer side effects, or be more easily absorbed by the body. In essence, quantum simulations are a powerful tool that can help us understand the microscopic world of molecules like never before. They can make the drug discovery process more efficient, more precise, and more effective. By harnessing the power of quantum simulations, we can reimagine the future of drug discovery. How does the future of drug discovery look with the integration of quantum simulations, you may ask? Well, let's take a moment to gaze into this crystal ball of scientific innovation. The key points we've discussed so far revolve around the power and potential of quantum simulations in the realm of drug discovery. Quantum simulations, embodied by the McGinty Equation and its derivations, are set to revolutionize the way we approach pharmaceutical development. These simulations, with their ability to predict molecular interactions, are our new guides in the labyrinth of drug design. Imagine a world where drug discovery doesn't take years of trial and error, but instead is driven by precise predictions and optimization. A world where the computational prowess of quantum simulations accelerates the journey from concept to cure. This is the future we are stepping into, a future where discovery is faster, more efficient, and more precise, thanks to quantum simulations. The benefits of this quantum leap are manifold. By predicting molecular interactions, we can optimize drug design, making drugs more effective and reducing side effects. It's like having a map that not only shows you the destination, but also the best route to take. Moreover, this technology could lead to the development of new, more effective treatments. With quantum simulations, we can explore uncharted territories of pharmaceutical science, revealing hidden pathways towards groundbreaking medications. It's akin to having a torch that illuminates the dark corners of the medicinal landscape, revealing treasures that were previously out of sight. In essence, the integration of quantum simulations into drug discovery is a paradigm shift. It's not just about doing things faster or better, it's about reimagining the entire process. It's about harnessing the power of quantum mechanics and channeling it into a force for good, a force that can save lives, alleviate suffering, and push the boundaries of what we thought was possible. Quantum simulations open up a new frontier in drug discovery, one where discovery is faster, more efficient, and more precise. And this, my friends, is just the beginning.